It is such a nice day today that I decided to take my bike for a ride. And here is the old York heat pump that I videotaped last winter running in heat mode. Now it's running in cool mode. And that one's a temp star. Lines are nice and sweaty. I don't know what year this thing's from. And of course, the sticker is all worn away. So I can't even tell the nominal tons. This is a pretty big unit, so I'd say 4 or 5 nominal tons. And for such an old unit, it's reasonably quiet. Most of the noise seems to be coming from the fan motor, and just the unit's so old it rattles a lot. Doesn't seem to be much compressor noise. And it also has that unique brown coil. I've seen green coils, I've seen brown coils like this one. Black or gray seems to be the most common though. But yeah, that's definitely a heat pump too. There's the reversing valve. Looks like a scroll compressor. This one's definitely newer. And this one appears to be missing some screws. It's had some screws replaced over the years. That one's a flathead and that one's a Phillips head. And these two don't have any screws at all. And this one was just running. You can see the lines inside this one are all sweaty as well. And the crankcase heater there, is that the crankcase heater? I don't know what the hell that is down there. Whatever that black cylindrical thing next to the compressor is, it's all covered in condensation. And this one might be a 5-ton as well. I see a 60 in the... Wait, that's the manufacturer number. It's a heat pump. International Comfort Products Corporation. So it's definitely an ICP. It's one of those unique ones that slants downward. My aunt's old house in Maryland had one of these big old York heat pumps in the backyard, and I was scared of it. I was scared of loud noises when I was little, and I was terrified to go in the backyard when it was running. Alright, I'm going to take a picture of the data sheet. Out.